Oh, I got a complicated one coming up. Yep. This is your final test. I'm going to write this one down, pause the video, and try to work it out. Well, we have 2x plus 5. I'll have to write a little smaller. This time, x squared minus 3x down here in the denominator minus x minus 2 over 2x squared minus 7x plus 3. Now what you want to do is, so we got to get a common denominator, but I would highly suggest that you factor both the denominators and see what they have in common. That's the first thing I'm going to do. So we have 2x plus 5 over, let's pull an x out. So we have x minus 3 minus x minus 2. Now let's factor the 2x squared minus 7x plus 3. So we're going to have 2x, we know for sure. Okay, so we have a 3 plus 3, so we know it's got to be 3 and a 1. Let's make this a 3 and this a 1 here. So 2x times 3 is 6x. So it looks to me like they're both going to have to be, there's going to both have to be a minus sign. 2x minus 3x is negative 6x, minus x is negative 7x, and negative 3 minus, or negative 1 times negative 3 is positive 3. All right. Well, let's take a look. We've got an x minus 3 and an x minus 3. And so it looks like we're going to have to multiply the right by x over x and the left by 2x minus 1 over 2x minus 1. So that's what things are looking like here. Okay. So here we go. So I'm going to rewrite the numerator. Let's see, 2x plus 5 over, let's see, x times x minus 3. All right, let's put a parentheses around this, and we're going to have to multiply it by, looks like a 2x minus 1 over 2x minus 1. Okay. Minus, I'm going to go ahead and put a parentheses around this x minus 2 over, okay, let's see, what are we going to do? We're going to rewrite the 2x minus 1 and the x minus 3, we'll rewrite that. Alright, so what's going on? Let's see, 2x minus, oh, an x over x. So we'll just do that with a different color. X over x. Alright. So let's rewrite everything. We have a 2x plus 5 times a 2x minus 1 minus an x minus 2 times x I need to see something here. Yeah, the x minus 3. Okay. And that is all over x times x minus 3 times 2x minus 1. Okay. What we'll need to do now is multiply that numerator. Yeah, it's time to multiply everything out. So we have 2x times 2x is 4x squared. 2x times this minus 1 is going to be minus 2x. And then 10x, 5 times 2 minus 5. Minus, so we x times x is x squared. And then x times, and remember we got this minus sign, so we got to distribute that. So that makes that a plus 2x there at the end. Plus 2x. Okay, just going through, checking my work, making sure everything's good. Yeah. Okay. Now what we could do is we could go ahead and at least partly multiply this thing out. So this becomes x squared minus 3x times, we'll work this out here in just a second. Okay, times 2x minus 1. Let's collect up our like terms up here in the numerator. So the first thing, let's see, yeah. So we have a 4x squared minus x. So that's going to give us a 3x squared. We have minus 2x plus 2x. So that's going to go disappear. And then, no, wait a minute. We have this 10x here. Negative 2x plus 10x is 8x, and 8x plus 2x is 10x. Oh, I see. The negative 2x plus 2x cancel. Yeah, 10x. All right. Plus 10x, and then minus 5. Whew. We're almost getting there. Let's go ahead and multiply this out. So we have x squared times 2x is 2x squared. Something's fishy here. I smell... No, that's not 2x squared. That is 2x to the third. Yeah. 2x to the third. X squared times x is x to the third. All right. Minus x squared. Right. And then negative 3x times 2x is negative 6x squared. And then negative 3 times negative 1 is positive 3x. Okay, so let's collect up our like terms. So just rewrite the top. And over, so we have, let's see, 2x cubed. We have a minus x squared, a minus 6x squared, that's minus 7x squared. And plus 3x. Yep, that's it. Okay, you could try factor in the numerator to the denominator, see if anything cancels out, but I don't think it will. Never know. Anyway, that's where we're going to end this. This is going to be the last problem of this section. Hopefully you got a little bit of a foundation of what's going on, or maybe you just refreshed your memory. Anyways, see you over at the website.